So hello, and this is the Vulture again. There was no video on Tuesday because there's a little bit of an accident, so I'm sorry about that. So let's go with Singapore Math Challenge on Saturday. And I might do a little bit of bonus because there's no video on Tuesday. Okay. Our first question is, a car travels from town A at a speed of 65 km per hour towards town B. Another car travels at a speed of 60 km per hour from town B towards town A. At the same time, yeah. The two cars met after 8 hours. How far was town B from town A? Well, you might see I've drawn out this little diagram here. It's not too great. So, let's see the solution. So, first let's just say, or maybe consider the car traveling from town A to town B by itself. So, let's see. That'll be 65, well, let's just say, kilometers per hour. Times 8 hours. And that is, wait, let me think. That'll be 560. Wait, is it correct? Let me see. So 65 plus 65 is 130. So that'll be quarter of it. And so then 110 times 2 is 260, and that's correct. Wait, what? No, that's not correct. That's not correct. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. 5.2. Right. And that's correct. I'm pretty sure. Then let's also see this. 60 kilometers per hour times 8 hours equals, oh my god, 48. Yeah, 48. $480 meters. Wait, no, kilometers. Okay. Then we add them up. Okay, I'm sorry. I can't forget it's Kate. I think it's weird. Kn equals, well, 1,000 kn. You can also do this crossing out, like just 480. You don't really need a archaic camera just yet. As long as you remember it. Plus, and then that's 10 carries 1, 10, and then you get 1,000. You could also pause this video and figure out some stuff yourself too. And that's our answer. Answer is okay. Oh my god. Oh yeah. I might also talk about the poisonous square in tic-tac-toe, or some people call them X and O's. These are always fun. Some people at school call them tic-tac-toe. Anyways, back to the subject. Or whatever. Town X and Town Y are 390 kilometers apart. A car travels from Town X at 17 kilometers per hour at the same time as vans travels 60 kilometers per hour from Town Y. Where and when do the van and car pass each other? Well, okay, this is a little bit difficult. Well, at least it's a little bit difficult for me. I don't know about you. Okay. So, let's draw a little diagram out. Town X and Town Y. So this Town X and Town Y is 390 kilometers apart, or whatever you want to call it. Car start. Okay, first we'll do the van and then the car. So and the car. Okay, so I have figured this thing out. There are two ways, but I'm just going to explain it the difficult way because I feel like it's better. Okay, this will depend on if you understand it or not. So you might not understand it and you might understand it, so I'll just say it. I'll just do it a difficult way because I think it's better. So, first, let's see. 70 here. I'll explain it to you first so you get. Wait, no, I'll explain it after. Times. No, not times. Not times. Sorry. Plus 60 kilometers per hour. No, not actually. Kilometers per hour equals 30 meters. 130 meters. So 300. Oh my god, why do I keep on saying meters? Kilometers divided by 130 kilometers equals 3 hours. So it takes 3 hours for them to meet, and since a car travels faster than a van, well, I'll never make sense how I do it this way. Okay, 70 kilometers per hour. Oh my, come on. Why do I keep on doing these kind of dumb or silly mistakes? Per hour times 3 equals, well, wait, equals 1, wait, how do you say it? At 210, or, 210 kilometers, you could do it. You can do it out in your house on a blank piece of paper, but I'm pretty sure you won't get this. And let's get rid of these. And the other one, which is 60 kilometers per hour times 3 hours equals well, that's 180 kilometers. You can do it out in your house if you don't believe me. So it depends on which way you're going. If you're going this way, then that's 100. Wait, what do you call it? 180 kilometers. And if we're going this way, wait, am I doing it right? Yeah, and then if you're going this way, you get what I mean. I'm really tired. You'll do maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 more. Maybe, or maybe a bit less, or maybe a bit more. This video is taking much longer than I be, so also because I kind of need a lot of explanation for that question. Okay. A train left town A for town B at a speed of 360 kilometers per hour. Another train left town B for town A at speed. The due time when the two trains meet. Okay, the exact same sourcing as this one. Well, I'll just quickly draw a diagram in case you still don't understand. But I hope you do. Town B and Town A. You know, you can also replay this if you still don't understand. Which I hope you all do. Because, you know. So this is 900 meters apart. 900 meters. So they'll... Oh my. Why do I keep on saying meters? Come on, seriously. Let's see. No, I can't be like this. Maybe I should do something besides doing maths. Like maybe I might do a poisonous squares and X and O's. Yeah, they're full. We'll talk about poisonous squares in another video. Two trains meet. Okay, back to the subject. The two times when the two trains meet. Okay, same idea here. And they didn't ask where, so okay. Okay, that's better. That's better. Okay, wait. No. The 10 age from chapter 10 is okay. Same basic idea. We do this thing, but we don't need to do this thing, so how do I put X over it without actually putting an X on it? So we don't need to do this, we just need to do this, but change the numbers around. Okay. Anyway. Kilometers per hour. Good thing I didn't write meters. Per hour plus 64. Okay, this is pretty easy. Kilometers per hour equals 100 kilometers so wow, this is very easy. 900 kilometers divided by 100 kilometers. Well, I hope you all know You might not. You can do it out at home if you know how. But I understand your answer. However you do it, it's going to be 9. Well, you're not going to get 9 if you do some serious mistake or something. Okay, anyways. 9 hours. Sorry. Okay. And our answer is also 9 hours. Sunshine Town and Riverview Town were 2,000 kilometers apart. Car A left Sunshine Town for Riverview Town. At the same time, Car B left Riverview Town for Sunshine Town. The two cars met after 10 hours there. Car A was faster than Car B by 20 kilometers per hour. What were the driving speeds of the two cars? Okay, that is very long. I'm tired of it. Okay. Okay, so anyways, back to the subject. I had to cut something off my trousers because it was really long. Okay. Driving speeds of the two cars. Well, maybe a little bit less than 12 because this video is taking a long time. Let's see how long this is. Ooh, that is a little long. Okay, I'll finish off. If I have time, I'll do a little bit. I'll do this one, but if not, then I'll just do this one. We'll just call Sunshine Town S Town, Riverview Town, and R Town. And S Town. Anyways, start driving. Two cars started driving. Drove and drove and drove and drove. And 10 hours later, oh my god. Wait, I need some time to think about these kind of things. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Oh, wheel ran over my toe. Ow. Okay. I got it. This also depends on if you understand or not. Let's see. 20. If it was faster than Kirby by 20 kilometers per hour, then every hour will be faster than by 20. So 10 hours there. So 20 times 10 equals 200. So let's just write it out. 20 kilometers per hour times 10 hours equals 200 kilometers. That means if car it went, it'll be closer to our town by 200 kilometers. So let's think about that. First, let's see, 2,000 kilometers divided by 2 equals 1,000. But it's closer to our town by 200 kilometers. So let's see. If you add 100, so it'll be that and that. It'll be 1,000 kilometers, and that's the answer. 1,100 kilometers and 900 kilometers. That was actually kind of simple. Well, I didn't actually see it. Okay, let's see how long I've been. Okay, that is pretty much enough for today. I took a long while explaining some problems, and I guess that's okay. So, I'm sorry we didn't get to do some stuff today. And also, I might play a video. I might get a video about the 4 poisonous squares in X and O's if you go second. So if you're playing X and O's and you're going second, there are 4 poisonous squares to go to. But we'll talk about that in another video. So that's pretty much it for today. So goodbye and have a good day, and comment down below if you think I should do something else and tell me what I should do. Or maybe a challenge. And so goodbye and have a good day. And also be on the lookout for poisonous squares and X and O's, but we're not exactly going to talk about that in this video. Goodbye and have a good day. Bye.